people, it's cooking time. This is what I'm cooking. You'll see this. Charan! That's what I'm cooking. That's chicken liver and some pork that I'm going to make pancit. Pancit is a common dish here in Philippines, especially to be cooked during occasion like birthday. So I'm going to make pancit for dinner. You know people, when cooking pancit, all you have to do is combine the ingredients together. So this is it now. I just added, by the way, cabbage here. You can also add carrots and beans. So many ingredients that can be added in pancit. But since this is only for us, this is not a commercial cook. Only our family could eat this. So this is only few ingredients that I got. But this is enough na. Look how yummy it is. Of course, you need to add soy sauce, a little bit soy sauce, and oyster sauce. As you may confuse people, the noodles that I'm using in this is plain white noodles and Canton noodles. So let's boil that one so that the ingredients, like especially the cabbage, will get tender. Init pa gina kong pansit kalamihan ni people. Ay, dali na mo, arap na mo kaon na. Tag, kay chingko lang sigurong tapos ang hindi ita palabig. Mahal kay loo yung mga tao karon ng sige dala tanig mahal. Pwede na ko mga sawa o kaupan kay kamao naman dahil